Morning, dear students. So I believe that I had given you a few questions earlier. You must have written the answers, and you must have read the chapter too. Today I am going to take up this long answer question, which is very important. This is a question which requires your own opinion, and therefore let us discuss this. Would you agree that the author's grandmother was a person strong in character? If yes, give instances that show this. Yes, the grandmother was a strong person in character. The instances that show this are as follows. She had her own thoughts about schools and their teachings. She considered learning scriptures a better thing than studying science or English. She did not like music, as according to her, music was for low level or indecent people. When the author went to the university in seclusion, she would spin the wheel, chant prayers, tell beads, and feed breadcrumbs to the sparrows. The homecoming of the warriors for hours and did not stop even when her family tried a million times. During her last time, she did not want to waste any time talking to anyone, so she lay silently on her bed and chanted her prayers till she died. That her grandmother was of a strong character, as she never expressed her sorrow when her grandson was separated from her. Even when she had to stay all alone, she had her own routine. She used to do her work. She used to be involved in her prayers, which showed that she was very independent. She had a very concrete thoughts about the religious scriptures, and she was annoyed when it was not being taught in the schools to her grandson. She was very confident and very caring. Therefore, we can say that she had a very strong character. Now we are going to take up this grammar or language exercises given in your text, in which there are a few sentences in this chapter in which the word tell has different meanings. For example, the first one, her fingers were busy telling the beads of rosary. I would tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning. At her age, one could never tell. She told us that her end was near. So in all these sentences, tell word has different meaning. Let us see what it is. Sentence is that she used to tell the beads of her rosary. It means she was counting while reciting. And in the second sentence, the meaning is to give information to somebody. That is to tell the words in English, etc. In the third sentence, it is to make something known to someone in spoken or written words. And the fourth sentence, the meaning is be sure. That is, she knew that her end was near. So that is to be sure. The meanings of the phrases given in the chapter. The thought was almost revolting, which means the idea was very disgusting, which could not be accepted. An expanse of pure white serenity, which means silence with white hair and white clothes spread in the house. A turning point. It is a radical point of change when things change in life. Accepted her seclusion with resignation. Made no protest. Accepted her aloofness calmly. A veritable bedlam of chirping, a noise as one hears in a lunatic asylum, that is a confusion of noises all around. Frivolous rebukes, light-hearted scolding. The sagging skins of the dilapidated drum, the loose skins of an old worn-out drum which has got destroyed. So students, there are many more pages of word meanings that are given. I will be sending it to you. Please take note of it. You need not write the word meanings. You just go through them. Okay? Thank you.